Holy cow, folks, we are in the future. This is not just any other car. This electric plug-in hybrid SUV not only has 1180 horsepower, but it can float and drive on water. It costs more than $100,000 and can only perform this insane trick for 30 minutes, but just look at it swim. But you, the Cyrbertruck, can't do this. Take that, Tesla. Wow, not only can it drive on still water, but it can even cross an actual river. Water is literally up to its windows. Man, I wish this car is available in America. What do you guys think?